Good morning. Here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Wednesday, February 5th. We got a winter weather advisory that goes in effect midday, lasting through the overnight and into the morning hours tomorrow. Most of the day will be dry today. Will be cloudy, cold, dry. Snow moves into the area mid-afternoon, probably around 3 p.m. is when I would guess we'll see our first snowflakes here in Champaign-Urbana. Snow continues into the evening and then on into the overnight. Snow could be heavy at times this evening, so if you're able to end the evening a little bit early, wrapping it up, getting off the roads by 5 or 6 o'clock this evening, that will just help keep you safe, help keep the road crews safe as they get out there and try to get things cleared up for us by Thursday morning. So possibly treacherous conditions here as we get into the evening. We could see a little sleet or rain mixing in overnight as well. I do think we'll stay mostly, if not all, snow here in Champaign-Urbana. And that is what keeps those higher snow totals in play here. 2 to 4 inches expected across Champaign-Urbana and Champaign County. Local 5 inches possible here, but I do think it's most likely we'll end up in that 2 to 4 inch range. 30 degrees in Champaign-Urbana right now. As we look at the satellite picture, we see all sorts of cloudiness associated with this trough as it digs in across the region, drawing a lot of moisture northward from the Gulf of Mexico, the state of Illinois, right here within all of this. As we look at the radar across central Illinois here at 6 o'clock this morning, mostly quiet. Again, I do expect a dry day, maybe a few snow flurries here and there, but again, by around 3 p.m., I think that's when snow begins to move into the Champaign-Urbana area. If we look just off to our southwest, here's Champaign up in the top right, looking down towards Oklahoma, the Ozarks, parts of southeastern Missouri, and that is where all the precipitation is at this moment, and again, moving into the area mid-afternoon. So we take a look at the high-resolution rapid refresh, just one of the solutions here again, watching that storm system move in from the southwest as we head through the day today. Snow likely beginning mid-afternoon, right around 3 p.m., becoming heavy at times during the evening hours into the early overnight. The heaviest snow likely falls from 6 p.m. to midnight. Again, possible we do mix in with some sleet as we head through the overnight as well. Champaign County right here, this is the snowfall forecast from the National Weather Service looking across the entire region, just in case you're concerned about elsewhere. Interstate 70 right about there, that's where the southern cutoff should be. We'll see more rain mixing in there, again, maybe a trace to an inch as you head down toward Interstate 70. From the Quad Cities area over towards Chicago, I think we're talking about 1 to 2 inches. I think maybe I disagree a little bit with some of the higher totals up in the Chicago area, but I'll stay in my lane again, focusing in on Champaign-Urbana. I think we're right in that 2 to 4 inch threshold with a local 5 inch possible. So we take a look at the 5-day forecast. That will be mostly quiet as we head through the rest of the week. Snow flurries tapering off during the day on Thursday, quiet Friday and Saturday, maybe even a few peaks of sunshine. Those will be the coldest days of the week. And then our next storm system moves in here Sunday into Monday. It does look entirely possible that we continue or resume an active period as we head into next week. I see potentials for some rain, potential for maybe a little bit more snow next week as well, but it does look like an active weather pattern into next week.